exercise that right of appeal, so we would help you in the appeal process. However, if you weren't granted a right of appeal, which in some domestic violence applications it is the case where you don't get a right of appeal, there is an option for administrative review, which is something that we would assist you with.
And once again, it's fee as well, isn't it? It's money as well, isn't it? So if it's a solicitor to help you with that, there is a price for the solicitor fee as well?
Yes, there is. So for an application like this, our fee is normally it's around £700.
That's if there's a refusal, is that?
Oh no, that's the initial application fee. Yeah,
okay.
If there is a refusal and we have to take the case to an appeal or an administrative review, then there are additional costs.
And that again can be a lot of pressure on someone who's in this situation. I mean, I'm sure, is there any other support available for victims of domestic violence who are fleeing from in this situation?
Yeah, so as we were discussing earlier, I mean, in terms of the Home Office fees, we can apply for fee waivers, etc. And then I think I also mentioned the destitution domestic violence concession. So that is definitely out there for people who are struggling and they have no income. They may be entitled to welfare benefits, so that could possibly help them in order to for their sort of legal costs. And sometimes people are sort of living and sort of relying on family and friends, so they may come forward and support. Yeah.
And it's difficult now with this lockdown as well, if you're on any domestic violence as well. So you're locked up, children locked up, you can't visit your family. How do we get in touch with the family if my sport not letting me using the phone?
Yeah.
Or if I can't go out and see my friend? Because domestic violence, even the immigration, it's like a control type of thing.
Of course.
If you don't do what I say, you can't see my parents. So it is going to be hard. So at least we know there's organisation out there.
That's right, and that's the whole purpose of this show today, listeners, is that we want to highlight this issue and also let you know there is support out there. So if you are struggling in any kind of way around this issue, there's Knightsbridge solicitors.
Could you tell how they can get in touch with you and your email and?
So I will leave my details with you guys. I'm sure you can share them. So I myself am based at the Nottingham office on Radford Road. The telephone number is 0115 824 1700. So if you give me a call on that number, I will be more than happy to book you in for a free of charge consultation. We can sit down and we can have a chat, and it will be in complete confidence as well. So, don't worry about that. If you're not from Nottingham, we do also have offices in Leicester and Birmingham. So if you prefer to meet one of our solicitors in Leicester or Birmingham, we can arrange that too.
So it's
and in terms of the meetings, I suppose they're very confidential and nothing would come out of this office. So.
Of course, yes. So obviously we always maintain client confidentiality. So rest assured, anything that you discuss with us will remain confidential.
Fantastic. Pam, we're coming to the end of the show already.
Have you noticed how quiet I've been today?
You have been extremely quiet, and I can understand toothache is not very nice, but we're going to go down the road and we're going to pick up some clove oil for you.
Yeah, I'm in two minds to take a couple of these chocolate as well, but no, it's going to trigger my tongue. You look at your face.
Not a good idea.
Yeah. This show was quite
It's very interesting. It's very interesting because actually, until you're in a situation, you don't know how you're actually going to go about dealing with it. So well done, Pam, for actually highlighting this issue and bringing it to the empathy hour.
Yeah, but thanks to Knightsbridge, they get the feedback, and it's something we would like us to support us with as well. Because there's other issues out there what need to be talked about, but we are not a professional qualified solicitors.
That's right.
So we will bring the profession to the empathy.
Definitely. Aisha, is there anything else that you'd like to say before we end the show?
Oh no, I just want to say thank you very much for having me on your show, and I really do hope that today's discussion has helped people out there if if someone's in this situation, then there's definitely help available, and I would really like for them to get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to assist.
Fantastic. You've been a great guest. And thank you for taking time out, because I know time is precious at solicitors' offices, aren't they, Pam?
Well, for us it is.
I hope she's not going to charge us.
I'll have to send you an invoice later.
Oh, thank you. Right,
I
that's
thought
it.
it was for free, Pam.
So did I. Yeah. I'll have a word with him out there.
Thank you very much, listeners.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning into Radio Dawn 107.6 FM. Pam, any last words of wisdom?
Yeah, we got the help and support, so all we can do is stay safe. Any information, give Knightsbridge a call. So we can only do our best to bring it to you all.
Fantastic. Thank you again.